Hello there and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you a number of online job opportunities that are available. And the good thing is that you can begin working in these sites within 3 days. Within 3 days time. The first option I'm going to share is Edison, and you can already see that their website looks like this. So what we are going to do is search for Edison. Then you click on for writers. Click on apply now. Then input your email address, get started. They will send, after you have entered your email address, and they will send you a confirmation. You can see we have just sent an email containing confirmation. They have sent, so you will log into your email, go to action required, confirm. You click the verification link and proceed to the application form. From this application form, you just click on proceed with the registration. You fill in your personal details exactly as they appear on your ID. Select your preferred subject area. Currently, Edison is hiring STEM subjects, so in this case, I'll fill in my names. Kenya, I'm from Kenya, so I'll put my phone number. And I'll put a number that I use. So, like I told you, they are only hiring STEM subjects, not this writing subject. So I'll select from this category. For example, I can select I'm comfortable with economics, I'm comfortable with algebra, I'm comfortable with technology, mathematics, statistics, finance, coding, but biology, accounting, construction, Excel, let me say, and project management. Then the software, some of the softwares I use, I can select C, PowerPoint. I'm comfortable with this. I'm comfortable with C Sharp. I'm comfortable with CSS, C plus Excel. I thought I had selected Excel. It's okay. SPSS and this statistics software. So after I've selected my subject and the softwares that I'm comfortable with, I can select next. You don't, it's not a must that you fill out this software section because you may not be conversant with these softwares. So for example, you see here they're saying your progress is saved. Start the English assessment within 48 hours. Once clicked start assessment, complete that question in 15 minutes. So we start the assessment. This will just be an English test. So this is the second section. Pay attention to sentence structure in this part. Punctuation and subject verb agreement is also very important. Your time management will be also very important because as you can see the time is running. I'm sure I can pass this test. So let us go. The first question, she dash in his shabby little office for 5 years. She has already worked. She had worked already. She is already worked. She has worked already. This shabby. She has already worked. She had worked already. She is already working in this shabby office. Little office for 5 years. She has worked already. I think that is the correct answer. My brother did not allow me play his PlayStation. I was trying to discuss that with him, but he refused to listen to me. That I think that is the right option, to listen. My brother did not allow me play. Yeah. Sorry for that. To play. Mark dash late for that important meeting. Rather not. Had better not be. Not be. Had better not be late. Sam hasn't been able to play football since he broke his leg. Time is running. Dash. Not only did they break the law, did they also but did they but not only have they not only but they also put themselves and others in unnecessary danger. We have very we have very little money, so we can't afford to buy a new car. Very few, very little money. We're not proceeding on while we should be at least number 10. At the wedding were blue in law. Sisters in law dresses at the wedding were blue. I think this is why sorry for that. Research shows the less you care about getting a job, the better you do in school. The less you care, the most you care. The, that's definitely the worst date in my life. I has waited for her. I was I'm waiting. I have been waiting. Getting my love fix will cost me an arm and a leg. I've met my friend for so long. I'm looking forward to seeing him tomorrow. The light in Sol's room is on. He must be playing computer game. Choose the correct proof answer. Tooth teeth hypothesis, thesis, and memoranda. Grateful to grateful with grateful for grateful of. Lying, having lied. Let me think about this question now. I'm not sure about it. Now here is the test. Jen surfs the internet a lot. She likes doing it while listening to the radio. Yeah. Let us see what we have got. And you can see we have passed the test. It's saying, congratulations. You've successfully passed the English assessment. Let's assess your writing skills. No AI grammar, basic essay structure, what it should be to say explicit and explicit, clear and detailed report. So we are starting the assessment. Let us just start it right away. We are given 1 hour. Technology. Do you agree with the statement? The faster technology develops, the more humans are degraded. Write at 275 and support your answer with few examples. So I want to take you to the process of essay writing, and let us just uh, now we are on stage 3, and we have been told that the paper should be in APA format. So there are some things that we must do. So let me just state some of the things that we'll be doing to ensure that the paper passes. So the first thing is that we will open our Word document. Just open Word. We will type it in Word. That's a command to open Word. So let me see what is in here. So the subject is technology. Do you agree with the statement? The faster technology develops, the more humans are degraded. Write a 275 and this is about your answer with a few examples. So I'm taking this as the topic of the essay. This one is the topic. So I'm just saying that this is the topic. So let me explain some of the things that we'll need. Make sure that the margins, we will start with setting the margins of the paper. So ensure that the margin it's normal, 1 inch on both sides. Then the second thing is that always make sure that you're using Times New Roman font 12 for our essay. Then the essay should be double spaced. We have a title page. Within the title page, we'll include the title of the paper. This is our title. Then we'll include your name, and basically the title is 3 to 4 lines below the header. So I'll 1, 2, 3. It will be there. Then you skip one line. Then your name. Let me say. Let me just put my name. Preamble like that. Then after the name, I'll put the department, then the department, then the unit, then date. The date takes this format, May 23, 2025. That is the date. All of these have to be center aligned. This is in APA format. Then this one has to be in title case. So here is the title. Then always make sure that all your are in Times New Roman and it is bolded, it is center aligned. Then insert the page numbers. I'm still on formatting the paper. No, I'm sorry for that. Insert page number, top of the page, far right. That is the page number, and I have to put it in Times New Roman font 12. That's good. I have to capitalize each word in here. Capitalize each word. The more humans are degraded, just copy the title. So you can see there is one space here, but one thing that we are missing, this should all be in double spaced. Then remove space after paragraph. I cannot do all those ones here. You see it's double spaced. I'll remove all space 0. Okay, then from this place I'll insert a page break. Then my title will be here. My title, let me put it there. So I'll start a new paragraph here. I'll start writing from this place. So what we are writing about is, do you agree? I'm searching for. So whatever we are writing is, the faster technology develops, the more humans are degraded. So this is a discussion essay. We can choose to take a position to agree with this thing, with this statement, or disagree with it. So on my part, I want to agree with the statement. So I'll just say the faster technology. So let me put it this way. Sorry. What did I miss? What I want is this one. Okay, it's now right. So I can choose to use this one. So we are basically going to write this essay. I'm just checking. Taking for instance, if we want to quote this. So this is my topic. The faster technology develops the humans, the more humans are degraded. So I'm taking a position, but I'm not going to. The faster technology develops, the more humans are degraded. So I'm taking a position that agrees with the statement. Let me just organize my thoughts. Then I want to show you how to write a very clear thesis statement. So let me just search this way: how technology degrades humanity, so that you can see what we are: excessive screen time, digital addiction, and mental health. So to creating my thesis statement is the guiding statement to your essay, and it should summarize what we are going to talk about in the essay. So for my thesis, for the points that I'm going to talk about, I'll talk about this one: digital addiction and mental health. Then I may choose another one here. So let me show you how you can write your thesis statement. Remember that we'll be this is not the final part. We'll be revising it as time goes by. But I want to start with this. The no, I can say advancing technological developments development have been have been have been have been proven to erode essential human capabilities or even capabilities capabilities such as emotional connection, critical and problem solving skills and maybe what and we were talking about yeah, depression, physical health, eye strain, and maybe let us talk about personal fulfillment. So in this one, and personal fulfillment, thereby thereby grading the human experience. The human. So this is our thesis statement, and you can see that these are the points. The second sentence will talk about critical and problem solving. No, we'll talk of technology degrading emotional connection. The third paragraph, critical and problem solving skills. Then the last one will be about personal fulfillment to prove the point. This is so no paragraph can have less than three sentences. This is so we are elaborating on this. This is because as these systems, as the systems become more what can we say, more advanced and robust, maybe robust, humans tend to rely experience for just lack of a better word, but I'll remove that one. The more consequently we can say the more technology develops, the more we become passive consumers, active rather than the active known to be in history. So that is the first paragraph. It is three sentences. It meets the demand for a full paragraph. So we are going to talk about emotional connection. So I can say to begin with advancements, create new avenues for new avenues for communication, such as the social media that negate the need for human emotion, human connection. Of emotional connection between people for the last few years. We can say heavy reliance on these tools, on these tools directly linked to depression in the yes. So we can say that is the second paragraph. We are done with it. Then we were talking about critical and problem solving skills in the third paragraph. Secondly, the advancement of technology has been known, known to maybe erode critical cognitive, just say critical thinking skills. For instance, for instance, the development of artificial cities to do what? Has been avoid that require problem skills. You can say besides what can you say? The humanity more distracted and of deep thoughts of reflection, maybe that is. I think paragraph 2 is done. Then we move on to the last paragraph. So the last paragraph was about personal fulfillment. Lastly, been known to have an effect on over human labor. Losing their purpose in life. Labor. So that is the third paragraph. Then we conclude with the final paragraph that the advancement technology certainly let us look at the yeah. Then with this, I think we are done with the essay, but there are some adjustments I'll need to do. So let us just review this essay for any mistakes. My word is a little slow, but you'll bear with me. Review spelling and grammar. Technology, that is it. Participants add So let us, I want to add references here. I can add this one, but let me do it the easy way. So I'll go to Google Scholar. I want to do it the easy way. Just select this topic. No, I want papers that are less than 5 years old. So 2014 is too old, 2015 too old. So I'll tell Google Scholar that you need to give me papers that are between 20, I think 2023. Then it gives me this one for 2024. I'm not convinced with this one, but this one convinces me. Yeah, so I'll include the reference page, insert, then page break, refer reference. You can, if you are not able to insert a new page, you can enter and have this reference page on its separate page. So the reference page usually it's on separate page. Then I'll say that it's O'Hara. Let me blame O'Hara for writing this. O'Hara, according to O'Hara, I can say this to O'Hara 2024. Heavy reliance, heavy. So I have added an in-text citation. I have added the reference, the matching reference there. Then I can select another one, online social networking. So I can blame this one for talking about I don't like him. Let me blame this guy. No, I don't like him. Let me blame. Oh. Okay, let me blame this guy for writing this thing. So I can say that it is this. I can say according to, or just do the syntax citations are very easy. 2023. So this one is just the same as this one. These are different styles of referencing, or I can say demand 2023 states. Then I'll provide the accompanying reference page. Always make sure that you sort this one in ascending order, alphabetical order, so that D comes before O. So again, you have to do this. So line spacing, hanging. For the reference, it's hanging. For the other, it's, so I say hanging. Okay, that's it. Then this one, I say just for this one, I'll say that for these pages you will have to first line by zero point 0.5 margins. So my then again there is something I had missed. Make this one Times New Roman font 12. I had talked about that. Then the color should be automatic, the bold automatic, that one. Then just ensure that there is zero, the spacing is double spaced. Okay, so I think the paper is correctly formatted. The reference page is on its own separate page. Page numbers are provided. The references are lined. In-text citations are given. I don't see any problem with this paper. The paper is good, so we can save us, browse the first technology paper. So I'll put it in documents, save. I don't see anything. So we are done with this paper. We can submit it. So I'm going to submit in here. Just choose file, documents, technology paper. Okay, so it's here. Then finish the test. Now that we are done with the test, I'll be asked to give these ones. I'll give these ones later. Yes, I have a degree, bachelor's. I'll just have to give this one later. So after we have done, we have given this one, she will complete registration. But for now, I think that is just it. I don't want to waste a lot of your time because I have to download them. You can do this test and start working online. Thank you so much.